Hi, and welcome to Connections 2010. My name is Chad Nash, and I am the CEO and founder of DataSprings Incorporated. This past year, we've been working and developing new modules and web parts for .NET Nuke and SharePoint, and we are now introducing a SuperBridge suite. This is a completely new product line that we're launching to bridge mobile applications directly into .NET Nuke, SharePoint, Joomla, Drupal, all of these different CMS portals. So what I want to do today is talk a little bit about these new products, and then have our partner Sebastian actually demonstrate how quickly you can have your portal, SharePoint, .NET Nuke modules and web parts directly in sync with the same data source as an iPhone application, BlackBerry application, and so forth. So each one of these new product suites, we have the Contact Bridge, Employment Bridge, Ads Bridge, which is also like a catalog, and we also have bridges for real estate and exhibitor. So each bridge has its own unique sets and features. You can import everything for the data, many different import options, and everything that you update on your module or web part is directly displayed within your iPhone application. We'll get into how licensing works here in a minute, but first I want to introduce Sebastian. Sebastian is going to showcase exactly how this works between .NET Nuke and just displayed on the iPad. Sebastian?
Hi, my name is Sebastian. I will demonstrate one of our module naming Real Estate Bridge. So the purpose of this bridge is to increase the traffic of your website and gain new customers by being present on the Apple Store and the BlackBerry Store also, because your module helps to bridge your website with the two marketplaces. So how we do that? Actually, it's very simple. You have to implement the module on your website. It could be our .NET Nuke website, DNN, SharePoint, ASP, PHP, or Joomla. After you import the module on your website, you will be live automatically with the iPhone app or the BlackBerry app. So from an end user perspective, they will be able to access your content. Actually, it's a real estate ad in three different ways. They can search by an Advanced search engine. You can select it by categories, and also you can bookmark in a favorite group your main items. As soon as you find your items, they will appear over there, and you will be able to access different item information by clicking on it. So now, because the content is live, all the thing you do over there will be reflected on the iPhone. How we do that? Again, just click on the app, and here we are. So now if I want to change a price or something like this on your website, you will be able to reflect the information on the mobile device. So let's say I want to modify this price. I save the price and publish the item online. Here we are. Now I just have to refresh my information, and you will get the new price. So it's very easy to maintain your content and push your information to mobile user. You can also, a very cool feature is to modify the layout of your screen even if you don't have any skill on Xcode. How we do that again? We implement a WYSIWYG editor inside the solution. So you will have to go to the back office menu and select the screen editor. When you are in the screen editor, you will have to select the right screen in the right language, because we supply different kind of language. So iPhone, info screen. So like you see, it's exactly what you got on your iPhone. Now, if you want to change a color or display a new information or whatever, it's very easy. Just enlarge, move or reduce the photo. place your field where you want and save. As soon as you save, all your mobile user will have the new display. So at the first start, et voilà.
Merci, Sebastian. Thank you very much. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial that Sebastian just presented with the real estate bridge. I wanted to kind of showcase how the licensing works and how we have multiple bridges to really bridge that gap between your .NET Nuke or SharePoint portal and information directly to the mobile application. So there are 5 separate bridges. Sebastian just demonstrated one of those bridges as the real estate. There's also the contact bridge you could easily use to have contacts, a phone book listing, a vendor listing, a bridge of listings of associations, or a directory. All of these contacts are easily maintained on the .NET Nuke module or the SharePoint web part and directly in sync and the same data source as the application itself within the iPhone or BlackBerry application. So we have a contact bridge, an employment bridge, an ads bridge, a real estate, and an exhibitor bridge. Again, all of these bridges are directly in sync with the iPhone app as you're changing that content directly on your .NET Nuke, SharePoint, Joomla portal. What I'd like to highlight next is how the licensing works, because I really think that you'll find this to be a very affordable option to be able to have an iPhone application on the App Store. Licensing can be per URL, per bridge. So if you are buying the contacts bridge for .NET Nuke, you purchase that license for a single URL or an extended license for the IP address. And we also have optional features to be able to purchase with Source and so forth. For each of these bridges, there is a free iPhone or BlackBerry application that you can use to have that application directly in sync with, you can go and download from the App Store. We also offer premium services, and what these premium services do is be able to allow you to actually have your own name and your own application on the App Store. So if you look here, this is a application that comes for free with your license that you purchase, where the actual source of that content is maintained. With premium services that we can offer to you, we have the ability to have your own name, your own icon, and your own branding application based on one of the bridges. So with these, you can have your services on the App Store, and you can tell your clients to go download your application. As you are updating your catalog or any of your details on your .NET Nuke or SharePoint site, you'll actually be able to go ahead and the user will just immediately see that content reflected. So with that, I think you can easily see licensing for the contact bridge starts at only $249 for .NET Nuke. And what you can do is immediately have it set up on your site within minutes, have an application on the iPhone, and there's no additional licensing costs that come with as many downloads of the application for iPhone. So with your purchase of the module or web part, there's an unlimited licenses for the application on iPhone at no additional cost. So with that, I encourage you to check out datasprings.com. We'll have more demonstrations and tutorials over the coming months, and we look forward to working with you on your next implementation.